Hello everyone, today I will show you how to set up multiple fingerprint on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra so you can easily add more fingerprint. So at first open Samsung settings, scroll down, click on security and privacy, scroll down, click on this option and then showing you to fingerprint. Just click on to unlock your phone, and now I'm already two fingerprint and add another. Click on to plus option to add and registration to another finger or another person. So put your finger, move. Okay, complete 100% and press on to done. Now successfully add another finger.